Clarity also good, man.
This is a request to call upon Mr. Marcin Jablonski near the stage. Requesting Mr. Marcin Jablonski, Mr. Marcin Jablonski stage and near the stage. Requesting Mr. Marcin Jablonski, Mr. Marcin Jablonski stage and near the stage. Requesting Mr. Marcin Jablonski, Mr. Marcin Jablonski stage and near the stage. Requesting Mr. Marcin Jablonski, Mr. Marcin Jablonski stage and near the stage. Requesting Mr. Marcin Jablonski, Mr. Marcin Jablonski stage and near the stage. Requesting Mr. Marcin Jablonski, Mr. Marcin Jablonski stage and near the stage. Requesting Mr. Marcin Jablonski, Mr. Marcin Jablonski stage and near the stage. Requesting Mr. Marcin Jablonski, Mr. Marcin Jablonski stage and near the stage. Requesting Mr. Marcin Jablonski, Mr. Marcin Jablonski stage and near the stage. Requesting Mr. Marcin Jablonski, Mr. Marcin Jablonski stage and near the stage. Requesting Mr. Marcin Jablonski, Mr. Marcin Jablonski stage and near the stage. Requesting Mr. Marcin On that note, everybody, can we give a huge round of applause and begin the
You are
inaugural
visible.
celebration
Wide
of amazing Goa Global Business Summit 2024. To begin with, may I please call upon Mr. Vinay Verma. Vinay Verma is a visionary entrepreneur and award-winning leader renowned for his pioneering work in sustainable power solutions through Power Track Corporation in Panjab. His expertise in solar, UPS and energy management has made him a key player in supporting Goa's tech-forward industries and ensuring resilience in power infrastructure. Recognized in all multiple platforms, Mr. Verma is a frequent speaker at national and international platforms. Mr. Verma is a frequent speaker in international and global innovation and sustainable practices. As a founding trustee of Vibrant Goa Foundation and current chairman of the amazing Goa Global Business Summit, he champions Goa's transformation into a global business powerhouse. Yes, his energy management has made empowerment and cross-border collaboration is helping shape a future where Goa is synonymous with cutting-edge industry, inclusivity, and economic growth. Let's go.
Industries Minister, distinguished guests, esteemed political leaders, policymakers, captains of the industry, honored delegates and fellow Goans. Good morning and welcome to Amazing Goa Global Business Summit 2024. As chairman of this prestigious event, I great pleasure to warmly welcome you all to our beautiful state of Goa. Today we gather here shared vision to unlock the potential of Goa and to forge partnerships that will shape the future of our economy. This summit brings together over 200 international delegates and more than 150 Goan companies, creating a unique platform for collaboration, innovation and growth. Goa, with its rich culture and strategic location, has always been a melting pot of ideas and commerce. Today we stand at the cusp of the new era, ready to transform our state into a global business hub. Our government, under the able leadership of Honorable CM, has worked tirelessly to create a conducive environment of business and investment. The theme of this summit is Goa, Gateway to Global Opportunities. This reflects our commitment to positioning Goa as a key player in the global economy. Over the next 3 days, we will explore various sectors including tourism, IT, pharmaceuticals and renewable energy, areas where Goa has significant and competitive. I encourage all of you to participate actively, share your expertise and explore the myriad opportunities. Delegates, I extend a special welcome. Your presence here is a testament to Goa's growing importance on the world stage. We hope that this summit will be the beginning of long-lasting and fruitful partnerships. To our Goan entrepreneurs and business leaders, this is your moment to shine. Showcase your innovations, share your success stories, and seize the opportunities to scale your business globally. In conclusion, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to all those who have worked tirelessly to make this summit a reality. A special mention goes to our dedicated team of trustees and our esteemed board of advisors, whose vision, guidance, and relentless efforts have been instrumental in bringing this event to fruition and elevating to such a grand scale. Their commitment to Goa's progress and their belief in our potential has been truly inspiring. I would also like to thank our organizing committee, volunteers and all our partners who have contributed to making the Amazing Goa Global Business Summit 2024 possible. Your hard work and dedication are deeply appreciated. Let us use these 3 days to build bridges, foster understanding, and create a roadmap for mutual prosperity. Thank you once again for your presence. I declare the Amazing Goa Global Business Summit 2024 officially open. Let the discussions begin, partnerships form, and may Goa's star rise even higher in the global firmament. Thank you all and enjoy the summit. May I also request Mr. Rajkumar Kamath to escort Honorable CM for lighting of the lamp and Industries Minister also Movind Bab. May I request Nitin Konkalikar, Chief Mentor Dr. Jagat Shah, President GCCI Mr. Srinivas Dempo, Chairman Board of Advisors Shri Suresh Prabhuji, Mr. Marcin Zablonsky, Honorable Minister of Transport Mr. Movind.
Lamp lighting ceremony is taking place at the inaugural ceremony of Amazing Goa 2024. May I please request all our dignitaries and chief guests to kindly take their seat on the stage. Inviting our chief guests and dignitaries to kindly come up on the stage and take their seats. Welcoming Chief Minister Sir, joining us on stage. Our guests have taken the seat. Inviting Mr. Momin, inviting Mr. Marcin Zablonsky to kindly join us on the stage. Mr. Marcin Zablonsky. Welcome, sir. It's time to welcome our guests and dignitaries. I would request Mr. Vinay Varma to hand over the the bouquet to Mr. Suresh Prabhu.
A very warm welcome, sir. Thank you for joining us at amazing Goa. Requesting Mr. Arman Bankley to kindly welcome Srinivas Dembo. Very warm welcome, sir. Requesting Milind Anvikar to welcome Marcel Jablonski. Requesting all our audience to kindly give a warm welcome and keep applauding as we welcome our guests. Requesting Gautam Kalangati to welcome Morvin Godino. Welcome, sir. Requesting Rasak Nayak to welcome Dr. Pramod Sawant. Our Honorable Chief Minister of Goa present with us. Requesting Mr. Manoj to welcome Mr. Subhash. Requesting Mr. Ajay to welcome Dr. Jagat Shah. Welcome, Dr. Jagat. And now we move forward, and to take this gathering ahead, may I please call upon Mr. Rajkumar Kamath, Chairman, Vibrant Goa Foundation, for the opening address and inviting Vibrant Goa trustees on the stage. Welcome, sir.
Honorable Chief Minister of Goa and our Chief Patron, Dr. Pramod Sawant. Honorable Union Minister Shri Piyush Goyal, who is going to join us shortly through the virtually. Honorable Minister for Industries for Goa and our patron Shri Morvin Godino. Our Honorable Minister Shri Subhash Shirodkar. Other luminaries on the days, Mr. Dempo, our own chairman of Vibrant Goa Foundation, Shri Suresh Prabhuji, dignitaries from outside, represented by Mr. Marcin Kowalski, my colleagues from Vibrant Goa Foundation, our mentor Mr. Jagat Bhai, other luminaries on the days, of the days, the international delegates who have come all the way on our invitation, dignitaries in the audience, captains of industry, sponsors, trustees, ambassadors of Vibrant Goa, student buddies who have been instrumental in many a thing, ladies and gentlemen. A very good morning and a warm welcome to you all at the inaugural of this historic, amazing Goa Global Business Summit. I would like to start by paying homage to our ex-Chief Minister and ex-Defense Minister, late Manohar Bhai Parrikar. The seed for this sort of a summit was sown by him. In February 2018, during the Goa Beach Fest organized by
DNI, he envisioned a global summit with international delegates and cross-border business. But unfortunately, he did not live to see it materialize. Our current Chief Minister and our Chief Patron, Dr. Pramod Sawant, has since nurtured and supported this initiative, bringing it to fruition, starting with the historic 2019 edition. Though pandemic hit us in between, we kept the momentum with specific roundtables and summits. We had roundtable on hospitality, workshop on exports through Engineering Export Promotion Council, Inspiration Awards, Global Tech Summits, Green Goa Summit, to name a few. I extend my gratitude to the founder trustees, Mr. Arman and Vinay, who are already here along with Mr. Nitin Kukalekar. But can I request the other founder trustees to come to the dais and take their seats? I would request Manoj Patil, Rasik Naik, Dinesh Dudapkar to please come on, and also our other trustee colleagues, Mr. Ajay Gramapate, Milin Anvekar, Gautam Kharangate. All of these ladies and gentlemen have worked very hard day and night over the past several months to present this edition of Amazing Goa Global Business Summit 2024. Can I request you to give a big round of applause for these extremely hardworking gentlemen. Our sincere gratitude to our mentors, Mr. Nitin Kukalekar and Dr. Jagat Shah, who guided us throughout. I would also like to sincerely appreciate the efforts put in by Vibrant Goa ambassadors who are around here, the team, the volunteers to make this happen. Special thanks to our Board of Advisors led by Shri Suresh Prabhuji for their continuous guidance and support. Though extremely busy personality moving across the globe, supporting social and community initiatives, Shri Suresh Prabhuji has always been available to us and quick to take care of any request from our side. Thank you, sir. We also appreciate the unwavering support from associations like DNI, Laghu Udyog Bharti, GCCI, JCI, GPMA, GTA, Triple ID, IIA and others who have always been there to support us. Our objective for the Amazing Goa Global Business Summit is to facilitate bilateral business and trade, expand joint ventures and collaborations, spark export growth from Goa, and generally help businesses, especially SMEs, to expand beyond boundaries. We would like to position Goa as a gateway to global opportunities, and while working on this, sustainability and inclusion